Hi everybody, this is Robert here from WePrintColor.com. It is April 21st, Monday 2008, and I want to run through right now the basic principles of CMYK printing. I've been in the printing business for 20 plus years, and the normal style of printing that we would use, I would estimate at 95% of the time, is CMYK. With this printing process, 4 primary colors are used, as you can see on screen here right now. Process cyan, process magenta, process yellow, and black. They are used together to create the colors of the rainbow. I'm just going to scroll up a little bit here and show you an image. This image was printed in CMYK, only using those 4 colors, as well as these bubbles. Using 4 primary colors, you can literally create the rainbow. I'll scroll down and also point out here that we see, let me just point that out for us. These are actually called registration bars, and a printing company on the printing press will always print these at the very bottom, and they're used to simply keep an eye on aligning colors and color densities. Again, you'll only see in these color bars these 4 colors or variations thereof. Where you see tones here, they're known as screens or tints. Let's have a look at this printed image that I put up on the blog here so that we could actually get a live eye view of what CMYK does and how it works. So this is a 100% view of this business card. And here we blow this up to 200%. I'm going to magnify it again to 400%. At this point we begin to see the dot structure. This is often in form of a honeycomb structure. And as we get even closer, we can really start to see the dots. This again was scanned from a printed piece, so it had gone through the full generation of preparation and print. If we really got close, this is what we would end up seeing. You notice how these inks, these 4 CMYK inks, overlay each other, and they in different values, and they create different colors just by simple dot overlay. I'll scroll down a little further here now. So what we just talked about now was the first basic option that you can choose from when you're getting your order printed. The second one is spot color, and that's a little bit different. Just have a look at a couple of spot colors. Again, the colors made to the eye appear the same on the screen, and in fact they do on screen, but when you start printing on paper here, there's a new technique that we're using. This is called spot color. I'll give you the idea or the concept. It's very similar to the way an artist would mix paint. As you can see on this artist canvas here, there's a cobalt blue and a cobalt yellow. By mixing those two together, we get green. And this is how spot colors are made. They're made on press, or they're made by ink companies actually, but they're printed on press, and they're always printed by Pantone Matching Guide standards. And that's what this is that you're looking at here. Again, you'll notice it is something very similar to you would see, or that you would see when you walk in to select colors for your walls at home, a swatch book. And if we actually scroll down a little on this screen, out of everything we see up here, all of these colors, and there's now well over 1,000 colors in the Pantone matching system, only these primary colors are used to create these colors within the Pantone matching system. And these are the primary colors. This Pantone matching system here actually works numerically. So if we look, for example, here, Pantone 198 red would be specified, and if we opened up, let's just go back up here. So now if we opened up this book, numerically we could find Pantone 198, and in that panel where we see it, it would show this formula of how we would make that actual color, and that's simply how the Pantone matching system works. That's the end of my story today, folks. This is Robert Kennedy signing off. Thanks for watching.